What's up, guys? It's your boy Dorian here with Collider Video. I am here at the Mario Nintendo booth here. We're about to do the Olympic Games challenge where I'm going to rock climb. Dude, I don't know why I'm doing this. We're doing it for the video. I love you guys. That's why I'm doing it. I hate rock climbing. I hate heights. So you're going to see me up there. I'm going to try to give my best, and then we're going to make some moves from there. I'm going to be lobbed up, so you'll get my reactions once I'm climbing. And then once I get to the top, I'm going to hit a dab on it and do it. You know, so we're going to get that bread. Let's go ahead and go. Was that good? I don't know why I'm doing this.
It's easy, man. You got this. Look, you're tall. You're gonna get it done.
I know,
so
just
fast.
we'll see what happens.
You don't have to go all the way. Pick this up.
This is stupid as fuck. It's not even that high. I just don't really want to do it, but you know, we'll see what happens. I'll see how fast I can get up there. I got long ass arms like Kevin Durant, so we'll see. All right. Oh shit. Let's do it. Oh shit. Dude, I'm pretty good at this. Oh, shit. Don't fall. Dude, I made this up here in like 15 seconds. I'm fucking fired. Up. All right, now I gotta get out my phone. All right, guys, I'm at the top of this big ass rock climbing thing. It's high as fuck, so I'm gonna fall down, hit the dab. Whew. Oh shit. Oh my God. That kind of hurt low key. That hurt. Fuck.
Get that for you?
Yeah. Dog, I'm sweating. I got up there in like 20 seconds, so rock climbing might be my future. I don't know, but this is dope, man. Thank you, sir.
Take that to the white Sega desks over there and you get a t-shirt.
Oh, bet. Let's go. Let's get this bread. I got a t-shirt. I got a t-shirt, fam. Let's go get a t-shirt. I felt like I was on top of the world, like just seeing everything from above. It was kind of hard to hold on, but it was pretty dope. I was surprised at how like fast I got up there, but like I said again, I got these long ass arms. I got like a 7-foot wingspan. Call me KD, boy. So yeah, I'm pretty tired though. I ate earlier. I'm tired as hell, and I'm already out of shape as it is. So trying to climb up that thing, like I need to do more exercise. That was like that was the most exercise I've done in like a whole year. So.
Who's next?
See, now I don't really regret doing that because I'm getting a free shirt out of this. Look. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Let's go. Got a Sega shirt. This is dope too. I might put this on and rock it. Maybe, we'll see, because it's caught in this. It's like 100 degrees out here, so I might change. I don't know. But thank you again for watching. I had an amazing time at the Mario and Sonic Olympic course. I'm tired as hell, but it was a blast. And I got a free t-shirt out of it, so I'm not tripping. Thank you guys for watching. We'll have more content at E3 coming for you soon.